Sahih Al-Bukhari 3291, narrated Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha, I asked the Prophet sallallaho alaihi wasallam about one's looking here and there during the prayer. He replied, it is what Satan steals from the prayer of any one of you. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3292, narrated Abu Qatada radiallahu ta'ala anha, as below, narrated Abu Qatada radiallahu ta'ala anha, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, a good dream is from Allah and a bad or evil dream is from Satan. So if anyone of you has a bad dream of which he gets afraid, he should spit on his left side and should seek refuge with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from its evil, for then it will not harm it. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if one says 100 times in one day, none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, the alone who has no partners. To him belongs dominion and to him belong all the prizes, and he has power over all things, i.e. omnipotent. One will get the reward of manumitting 10 slaves, and 100 good deeds will be written in his account, and 100 bad deeds will be wiped off, erased from his account, and on that day he will be protected from the morning till evening from Satan, and nobody will be superior to him except one who has done more than that which he has done. Like and subscribe my channel for more hadith videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.